Soon, another serious issue between North and South arose in the Dred Scott versus Sandford court case of 1857.
Chief Justice Taney, I, Dred Scott, was a Missouri slave, because Missouri is a slave state. But then my owner decided to move to Wisconsin, which is free. But then he moved back. Do I not have the right to sue for my freedom, since I lived in a free state? Am I not a free citizen?
Your Honor, Dred Scott is not a free citizen and should not be free. He was originally a slave, and a slave he is to stay.
After review, the Supreme Court has ruled that Dred Scott is a slave and is not a free citizen and does not have the right to sue for his freedom. Our glorious framers did not intend for people of African descent to be U.S. citizens. Therefore, Mr. Scott has no right to sue for his freedom. All slaves are property, and Congress does not have the right to deprive people of property without due process of law. Therefore, slavery cannot be banned from any federal territory. The law of 1820, otherwise known as the Missouri Compromise, is unconstitutional because it deprives people of their slave properties.
The ramifications of the Dred Scott case were serious. The North and the South were very divided in the South.
Excellent. This decision gives us a great chance to expand slavery to new territories.
But in the North,
this is an outrage to us Northerners. The Supreme Court has practically legalized slavery in all Western territories. They just want to spread their slaveocracy westward. This is unacceptable. I can no longer be a Democrat. I must be a Republican.
I agree. This is the greatest crime in the annals of the Republic.
clearly there was no longer any hope for peace in the Union. The Dred Scott decision made it very difficult for those wishing for a suitable compromise and led the North and South closer to war.